shocking sex attack on cop by Nagpur rioters. Chilling Nagpur riot affair has these revelations. A woman constable was molested by the rioters who tried to strip the woman officer. Women officers subjected to obscene gestures as well. Rioters hurled communal slur at the Hindu cops. FR says the rioters mob shouted anti-Hindu slogans. Rioters tried to kill the cops with petrol bombs is what the revelations are at this point in time. We have a reaction coming in. Let's take a listen.
तो नागपुर में जो इंसिडेंट हुआ है ये काफ़ी गंभीर है। इसकी गंभीरता मद्देनजर रखते हुए जो भी कार्रवाई होगी वो बिल्कुल कठोर से कठोर कार्रवाई की जाएगी। जो भी लोगों की इतनी हिम्मत हुई है कि डीसीपी लेवल ऑफिसर्स और पुलिस कर्मचारियों के ऊपर हाथ उठाना, ये बिल्कुल सहन नहीं किया जाएगा। बांग्लादेशी घुसखोरी के ऊपर जो कार्रवाई पिछले 3-4 साल से महाराष्ट्र में चल रही है वह भी और अग्रेसिव मोड में जा रही है। जो भी कंस्ट्रक्शन के ओनर्स है, जो भी डेवलपर्स है, जो भी कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स है, उनकी जिम्मेदारी है कि उनके साइट पे जो भी काम कर रहे हैं उनके जो भी रिकॉर्ड है उनको उन्होंने पुलिस स्टेशन में देना चाहिए।
I'm going straight across to Sumi for more details. The revelations here talk about the fact that this was not just about, hurting the cops physically, but also about molesting the women officers. Sumi, take us through these shocking revelations at this point in time.
Yes, absolutely. We had accessed the videos of such, rioters. In fact, targeting all the women officials who were there deployed and in fact part of the SPRF as well as quick reaction teams yesterday. And in fact in Nagpur right now the situation remains tense and certainly the curfew also continues in zone 3 and zone 5. But right now new revelations are coming in from various CCTV footages where it is specifically seen that women officials were targeted and in fact there was a lot of eve teasing that also took place and misbehavior with the women officials were also very serious in nature. However, when we asked DCP Rahul Madane about the same, he said that investigation is being done and in fact this particular angle is being very crucially and very meticulously looked into and certainly strict action will be taken against those who have tried to injure the DCPs, the 3 DCPs who have been injured. Strict action will be taken against them, but this new angle of misbehavior with a lot of women officials is also being seen. In fact, we had accessed one particular video from yesterday, from day before yesterday when the riots took place. We had seen how the petrol bombs were thrown at women officials and they were somehow getting saved by a lot of neighborhood people here residing in the Chitnis Park. In fact, there's this one particular video where you will see a lot of women officials rushing into one of these houses just to try save their life because they were feared that they will remain outside. They were unarmed and if they remain outside for continued long hours, they will certainly be targeted by all the rioters who had no sense of what they were doing. Certainly, they were driven by a lot of aggression which was triggered by a lot of misinformation of what happened day before yesterday during the demonstration by the religious outfits. But this particular angle of misbehavior is now coming into foray and this is certainly being looked at. However, curfew continues in zone 5 and zone 3 and all the DCPs who had been severely injured and were undergoing treatment till yesterday have been discharged and 5 FIRs along with 1 FIR against the religious outfits have also been registered and the decision about the curfew lifting will be taken by the Commissioner of CP. However, this particular area which was the epicenter, this is the Mahal area very close to Chitnis Park, which was the epicenter of the day before yesterday's violence remains tense and in fact people are not allowed to traverse through these areas and multi-level barricading has also been placed at various nook and crannies and this particular atmosphere that has been now disrupted because of the violence remains to be tense. Sneha, back to you.
I'm going to thank you for the moment.